Senior Counsel Advocate Dali Mpofu will be facing the Disciplinary Committee of the Legal Practice Council in Pretoria today. Mpofu faces 7 charges of alleged misconduct, and SABC News reporter Canny Maphanga is in Pretoria. She joins us now from there just to give us a sense of what's to be expected. Canny, and of course we had Dali Mpofu here on SABC earlier on in the week, and he was protesting his innocence in this regard. But talk to us about the charges that have been brought, who brought the charges, and what is it that they are alleging, and in terms of the sanction, what do they seek?
Indeed. Well, good morning to you, Sakina, and to the viewers at home. Before we get to the substance of the probe that will be taking place this morning, it is important to note that we are at the Legal Practice Council Gauteng office in Pretoria, and we have seen upon arrival that there is some kind of a technical issue with electricity in the building, so it's not clear at this stage if they'll be able to proceed with the disciplinary inquiry against the senior counsel. We know that he is facing 7 charges of breaching the code and, of course, bringing the legal profession into disrepute. Now, a number of these charges relate to high-profile matters that Advocate Dali Mpofu has participated in, dating back as far as 2022. We know that several come from the 2022, that is February 2022, JSC interviews, where certain remarks were made to the Justice Mlambo, the Gauteng Judge President, and the now Chief Justice of the Republic of South Africa, that is Mandisa Maya. In that context, there was a complaint made regarding the remarks and bringing up allegations of sexual harassment against Justice Mlambo, and then, of course, with Chief Justice Maya bringing up a comment that was taken out of context, but we know that it was clarified in that particular sitting what that remark intended to convey to the JSC at the time. Of course, there's remarks with the Section 194 inquiry against, or rather against Richard Janke. That was the chair of the 194 inquiry, where there was a bit of an exchange between Advocate Mpofu and that particular chair. That remark has made it as well. Then, of course, the exchange between the former public protector, that is Advocate Thuli Madonsela. Those remarks have made it into the charge sheet as well. Now, we already understand how this hearing works, is that Advocate Dali Mpofu will get an opportunity to answer to these charges. Usually, it is accompanied by the witnesses, and those witnesses are the particular persons that have been mentioned in the charge sheet. But we know and we can confirm that while some will make their way here to participate in this particular proceedings, we know that at least 4 are not going to make it here, which is Richard Janke, Advocate Thuli Madonsela, Chief Justice Mandisa Maya, and Justice Mlambo, who have opted not to participate in these particular proceedings. I don't know how that's going to affect the order of the day or how they run these proceedings and explore the various charges when those witnesses are not going to make it there. But we'll see at 9:30 a.m. if the matter is able to proceed. Then, of course, this morning when we arrived, we saw that there was heightened security and police presence outside of the building. I think that is in anticipation of the protests that will come here from 8 a.m., we think, in defense of Advocate Dali Mpofu, who has dismissed this case as frivolous and completely unsustainable. We also expect that the complainants who filed these complaints, that includes KSAC, the Council for the Advancement of the South African Constitution, that's quite a prominent NGO in the legal space, to also participate in these proceedings.